Google Docs can now tell whether you actually wrote your text or just copy and pasted it in. You see, Google Docs keeps a full history of how your document was made, every paste, every edit, every timestamp. And a single paste can make it obvious for AI usage. Here's the difference. When you paste, everything lands at once. One timestamp, no trail. But when a person actually writes, it's gradual and a little messy. They type, pause, backspace, fix a typo, speed up or slow down. That whole process is what real writing looks like in the history. So if you want a document that reflects a natural human writing process, even when an AI might have wrote it in the first place without typing it out yourself, Phrasely's autotyper is exactly what you need. Step 1, paste your text into the human autotyper and set your speed. Before you start, you can also adjust settings like error rate, correction speed, break frequency, and break duration. Step 3, hit start simulation and watch it type into your doc character by character like a real person is writing it. And if we do a quick check, we can see that it's being shown as likely human with natural human typing patterns. Phrasely's autotyper is free on the Chrome store and available linked in the description as well of this video for you to try out.